With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. During collision between the objects, and there are 4 options given related to kinetic energy of center of mass. So first option is the kinetic energy of center of mass of system remains constant. As we know, during collision there is some potential energy stored in the system, and that potential energy comes from kinetic energy of the system. Means kinetic energy converted into potential energy, elastic potential energy due to deformation of body. So some part of kinetic energy converted into elastic potential energy of the object. So that means kinetic energy of center of mass of system during collision will decrease. So first option is wrong. Second option, the kinetic energy of center of mass of the system increase. This is also wrong statement. The kinetic energy of center of mass of system decrease. Yes, this is a correct statement, because during collision when two objects collides, then there is some deformation in the object due to which some elastic potential energy is stored inside the object, and that elastic potential energy comes from kinetic energy of the body. So this is the correct option. I hope you have understood this explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.